Good evening. I am back at Tan Hill Inn. I've not been here for like 6 months, easy, something like that. I don't know if I was able to capture it on the camera, but the temperature says that it's -2, and it is 20th of March, 2:30 in the morning, and hopefully, if I'm lucky, this might be my first Milky Way of the year. So I come here to catch Milky Way. Quite a bit of light from the pub there, but if I point in the way of the Milky Way, I should be okay. There's quite a bit of light pollution over that way, but I've caught it here before, so I'm pretty confident. Yeah, I love this place. Right, so when I first get here, what I'm going to do is get photo pills out, and I'm just going to check to make sure the direction the Milky Way is going to be in. And then what I think I'm going to do is have a walk around, because I've got like half an hour before the call comes out, and then find some compositions, and then I'm just going to set it up for a time lapse and let it go. I'm looking forward to this. Let's get going. So I've got a decent bit of light pollution in the direction I want to shoot, and I've got to contend with these red lights here, so I'm going to have to think up something. Might be difficult. Don't fall off the rocks. So I'm absolutely freezing, and I can just see the core starting to rise up there. So I'm starting off just by shooting panos, and then having a little look around, trying to get a couple of selfies before we just sit down and get a time lapse. So I just need to find the right place to shoot from. It might be here, I'm not sure. Freezing. Just had a quick play of the 28mm. I think I'm happy with the shot that I got. I'm just going to keep playing around now, see if we can get something. But the Milky Way is here, but the light pollution is really difficult. There is some serious light pollution here, but what do I care? I'm seeing the core first time this year, so happy about it. Absolutely freezing. Right, absolutely freezing, so I think I'm going to call it quits. It's a lot more light polluted here than I remember, and it's a shame they've put that red light on there, but I think some of these shots were pretty good tonight. I think I'm happy with them. I'm going to go home and do some editing.